Welcome to ChinaSecurities.com and Chinese Stocks TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the Chinese small and mid-cap space at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great Chinese investment. It's Monday, February the 8th, the day after Super Bowl Sunday. Congratulations to New Orleans and all their fans. Just one press release for you today, but as always, quality over quantity. It's Chindex, trades on the NASDAQ under CHDX. The company put out both the third quarter and 9-month results. I'm going to give you the 9-month results because they're more relevant. First, a little bit about them. A bit of a reverse situation where you're seeing this is an American provider of Western healthcare products and services into China. You don't see that very often. Here's some of the highlights. Revenue for the first 9 months up 16% to $130 million. I really like the bottom line numbers as well. Net income for the first 9 months up to $7.7 million or 48 cents per share. That's up from $1.5 million and 10 cents per share for the same period last year. Great growth there. Looks like a 5 times multiple on the growth. Great to see. They closed at $12.57 on Friday. Here's what's important about it. This 52-week low, $3.50. So this is another great example of a small cap company that you can find on Chinese Stocks TV and ChinaSecurities.com that grows up to be a really profitable, nice company. 52-week high, $16.46. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. But if you're looking for more great up-and-coming Chinese and small-cap companies, Chinese small-cap and mid-cap companies, get yourself to the front page of ChinaSecurities.com. 3 things to do there. First, watch this daily show because we bring you the best press release every morning. 2, take a look at the best headlines separated by industry that we can catch up on any news you've missed over the last 2-3 days, sorted by industry to make it easy for you. And finally, 3, get into the directory. We're tracking about 250 great small mid-cap companies. You can sort those by industry in exchange to filter that down to a list that best suits your portfolio. Great resource. Get there. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.